The inside, outside block, or middle block. The middle block, inside, Ahneso Mahk. Ahneso Mahk. Jam load. Using your blocking hand, bring it down and across your body with the palm facing down. Using your opposite hand or your chambering hand, bring it on top of your other hand with the palm facing down. The arms should be parallel. Block. Begin folding your bottom hand outwards in a wiping style motion and chamber your opposite hand. Stop your hand in front of your face so that your middle finger lines up with your nose. Load. Fold out, block. Load, fold out, block. Load, fold out, block. The inside middle block, moving down the floor with a stance. The outside, inside block, or middle block. The middle block, outside, Pahkeso Mahk. Pahkeso Mahk. Load. Load for your outside middle block by turning your chambering hand upside down so your palm is facing the ground. Block. Using your chambering hand, begin to swing your block from the outside to the inside, stopping in the middle of your face. Your middle finger should be lined up with the middle of your nose. Chamber your opposite hand. Load. Swing from outside block. Load. Swing from outside block. Load. Swing from outside block. Load, swing from outside block. The outside middle block, moving down the floor with a stance.